2024, the government of India declared this day as National Youth Day. And since 1985, the event is celebrated in India this year, every year. Thank you.
Okay, very good. All good. I explained about ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, descending order, I explained. Yes. Okay. Shirin, better sit properly, huh? So that I can see you. Huh? Yes. Now it's okay. Yes. Acha, okay. Now also I told you equivalent fraction. Yes or no? Shake your head. Equivalent fraction and equivalent decimals done to? Equivalent decimal and equivalent fraction. Okay. Equivalent means basically I told you that all are same or not. Yes. Look at this. Suppose yesterday I told you like fraction to suppose 0.79 and 0.312. So to make it like fraction, what to do? Here is after in decimal part 2 digits. Here in decimal part there are 3 digits. Yes, so we'll make same. We'll make them same. Yes. So that's why there are 2. We will have to put a 0. Then it will be 3 and 3. Yes or no? Bonusri, Nusaiba, Shirin, Anjum. Yes, okay. Acha, I know in the last class, I don't know whether if we are able to hear me or not. There was a lot of network issue. So today let me explain this one, huh? Before comparing any two decimal number, we have to first convert them into like decimal, okay? And look, after this one is called integral part. Suppose 2.31. This two part, this portion is called integral. This one is called decimal part. So in the decimal part, the number of digits must be same. Then it will be like decimal. Okay, now look. When we are going to compare, okay, acha, before that equivalent, let me say, suppose 0.41 and 0.4100. These two are equivalent, yes or no, Parijat? Yes, because look, after 0.41 there is nothing. Nothing means we can put 0 how much we want, how many we want. 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, whatever. How many we want. Okay, Bonusri, understood? That means, look, 0.41 is here and 0.4100 is here. These two are equivalent or not? Acha. First, we will convert them into like decimal. Okay, how many digits are there in decimal part? 4 digit? Yes, though. Okay. Here 2. So first convert it into same. Another 2 I am putting. Then look, here is also 4, here is also 4. Okay. Now look, these two are same. Yes or no? Raiza, Parija, these two are same? Yes. As these two are same, then these are equivalent decimal. That means 0.41 and 0.4100. These two are equivalent decimal. Is it clear to everybody? Is it clear? Okay, just shake your head, Shampriti, Oishani, Ovivsha, Shoikot, Ankita, Irfan. Acha, Paushali not clear, beta. Okay, I am explaining again. Paushali, look at this. Paushali, Trisha, those who have not understood, look at this. Suppose 0.7 I am taking, huh? 0.7. Acha. Next I am taking 0.71. Okay. Paushali, just shake your head if you have understood. Now look. Acha. Here after decimal only one digit. Here after decimal two digit. So, acha. Okay. Now, to make them like decimal, we can put 10. Now look. Paushali, here also two digit. Here also two digit. यहाँ पे भी दो है, यहाँ पे भी दो है. Yes तो? Yes, okay. But look, these two are same. No, na? It is to 70, it is 71, na? So these two are not equivalent. These are not equivalent. Understood? It will be cross. Now, suppose we are taking 0.70 and 0.7. Now, partially look at this. Here are two digit. तो यहाँ पे दो digit. यहाँ पे look सिर्फ एक है. So to make like decimal, put one more zero. Yes. Now partially check. These two are same. ये दोनों same है. Yes. So these two are equivalent. 0.7 and 0.70. These two are equivalent decimal. Now understood? All the student? Ankita, Mausha, Enakshi, Ashmit. Okay, good. Meheria. Acha, now look at this. I am giving you. Acha, all of you open, take out your book also. It will be better for you. Just let me exercise B, okay? In decimal chapter exercise B, here the page number is not mentioned. Wait, let me check the next page number, then I can see you. Acha. So this one will be 104 probably, okay? Now everybody look at this. Everybody look at this. Yes, that one will be 104. Page number 104, okay? 104. Now look at this. Meheria, I cannot see you. Where are you? I cannot see you. Yes, now it's okay. Acha, first one is given. Look at this. 0.328 and the next one is given 3.28. You will have to say whether these are equivalent or not, okay? Whether these are equivalent or not, you will have to say this. So just be careful. Don't make any mistake. I am not going to explain this one, okay? You have to apply your common sense and you will have to say this. Just try. I am giving you 30 seconds. Only 30 seconds I am giving you. Okay? Think. Acha, this one you will have to do in your copy. All the students, take out your copy and write this one. Just exercise B 1A. Then write this two decimal numbers. Okay, after that, equivalent or not. If they are equivalent, then write equivalent. If they are not equivalent, then write not. Okay, now you will have to do this yourself. I am not going to say this. After 30 seconds only, I'll say. Think it first. Acha, this one, Ashmit, no, Paushali, you will have to say this answer, okay? Be careful. Paushali, yes or no? Now say 30 seconds over. No, very good. Very good. That means you have understood. Okay. Acha, now Ishika, next one you will say, huh? Not Ishika, wait. Farhan Malik. Okay, say B, number B. 0.4 and 0.400 is given. Deboshmita, Ishika, Farhan Malik, anybody just yes or no? Ashia. Acha, Ishika told me the answer. Okay. Farhan beta, look. There are three digits in decimal portion, in decimal part. These are no. Ishika, no. Beta, look, after 4, we can put, these are 3 though. So, here also we will have to make them 3 digit. So, 2, 0 we will have to take. Now look, these are same though. Yes, so that's why yes. These are equivalent fraction, right? Yes or no? Okay. Acha, next. Ashia, Shaud, Maushim, Wajid. Next one, number C. It is 8.67 and 86.70. No, we can easily say because it is 8 point, it is 86 points. So no. Now the fourth one. 6.7320 and 6.732. Now look. Yes, we can put one. Look, these are the same. Only 1 0. At last, we can easily put 1 0. These are same. So, these two are equivalent. Yes, to Sharnakshi, Shushnata, Shirin. Sharnakshi, understood to beta? Shuvangi. Sharanya, Oishani, Obipsha, beta, keep your camera on. Anushka, Shayon, Ashif. Shayon, keep your camera on. I think now Bhaiya, Somdatta, this one is, I think, now clear, right? Okay, good. Noras, beta, understood to? Noras? Shifat, Noras, okay. Acha, now next one. Anjum say 9.75 and 0.975. No, no, very good. No. Acha. F. The last one. Yes or no? Yes, good. Because 36.82 and 36.8200. If at the last there are 0, so easily we can put 2 0. Then this will be same. So these two are equivalent fraction. Yes, though. Basically, these are same too. That means 36.82 and 36.8200 both are equivalent fraction. Okay. Now compare. Comparison also very much easy. I told you how to find out greater one or lesser one. Now look at this. First one is given A. 16.35 and 1.635. Definitely 16 decimal and it is 1 point or 1 decimal. This one is greater. There is 16 too. So greater than. Okay, now number B. This one you can do it yourself. Number B. 451.09 and 451.90. What will be? What will be its answer? Anushka, Shayon, say, Shifat. Look, this one 451, 451, same. Okay, so we cannot do anything. Now, the next one. It is 09, it is 90. Here is 0, here is 9. Definitely this 9 is greater than that 0. So this one is greater. Yes. This type of sign will be there. Now do the next one. This one you can do yourself. I'm not going to do this. Okay. Next, arrange in ascending order and descending order. Arrange in ascending order and descending order. Ascending means from smaller to greater. Yes? Chota se bada. Okay, now look at this. A, B, I'm not going to do. I'll just do C and D. A and B will be your homework. Okay, may note that 3AB is your homework. Now do see this one. Acha, let me write the numbers. 3.3, then 3.3333, then 3.0. The fourth one is 3.33. This one is very interesting. Look at this. Look at this. Acha. First, we will have to make them like decimal, right? Acha. 3.3. I'm writing. Huh? Then it is given 3.3. How many threes are there? 4 times. 3, 3. Okay. Next one 3.0. And the last one 3.33. Now what to do? Anjum? Avipsha? Look, the highest in decimal portion, the highest number of digits where? In the second one, look, there are 4, 3. Yes, so. So we'll have to make them like decimal. Just look. Put another 3 zeros. Here already 1 is there, another 3 zeros. 2 3s are there, so make 2 0. Now look, all are like, na? In decimal part, there are same number of digits. Yes or no, Paushali? Acha, okay. Now, look, which one is greater? Acha, all of them has 3 in integral part. Now decimal, here it is 3, it is 3, it is 0, it is 3. Acha, 0 is the smallest one too. So, we have got the smaller one, 3.0. Yes? So, cross this one, cut. Done. Now, among these 3 numbers, 3.300, forget about this. Now 3.3333, now 3.3300. Look at this. First 3, all of them have. Now next, this one is 0, this one 3, 3. So this one will take. 0 is there. Here to 3 and 3. 0 is less than 3, so the next one will be 3.30. Okay, wait. All of you are able to see the screen. Okay. No, acha, wait. Acha, I'm sharing the whiteboard. Now I think all of you are able to see the whiteboard. Yes, so. Okay. So first number we have got 3.0. The next one will be, I told you, 3.3. Okay, now the third one. Okay, now the third one. There are 2 numbers left. What are the 2 numbers? The 2 numbers are 3.3333 and 3.3300. These were left. Now look, these three done, these 3 also done. Look at the next one. It is 3, it is 0. Which one is less, beta? कौन सा वाला छोटा है? This 0. Okay, so this one will be the third one. Next one will be 3.33. And the fourth one will be, the greater one will be 3.3333. Now this one is clear to everybody. Yes, Nusaiba, Shirin, Shulagna, Bonusri, all the students. Okay, Raisa. Now look at this. So write the answer 3C. Just write in ascending order. In ascending order, put hyphen or arrow. Okay. First one will be 3.0. 3.0. Okay. Acha, you can put greater or lesser sign, or you can put just comma. If you mention in ascending order, then you can put just comma. Okay. Then 3.3. Then 3.33. Then 3.3333. do this one first. Done. Now the next one. All the students, Shulagna, where are you? Shulagna, are you there? Okay. Sit properly, beta. Now D, next one. Next one. 9.1. Okay, 7 point. This one is very much easy. 6453. Okay, 0.1509. 3.7. 4.349. Now what to do? These are very much easy. Look, just look at integral part. This is 9, the greater one. 7, 0, 3, 4. Which one is the smallest? This one. So first, write in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay, write the answer now. First, it will be 0.1509. Second one will be what? 3.7. Yes. Third one will be 4.349. Fourth one will be 7.6453. And the last one will be 9.1. Do it first. Shoikat Bera, where are you, Shoikat? Devashmita, done. Oishi, Ashia. Okay, Ashia. Acha. Maushim, understood. Trisha, Maushim, Anubhav, Shaud. Okay. Now in descending order, okay? Now the next one in descending order. Fourth one. In number 4, your homework is only A, 4A. I'll do B, C and D, okay? In descending order. This one done to everybody? This one done to? Shubhangi? Shomdatta, Shifatak, Sharanya, Oishani, Obhipsha, Shornakshi, Sheikh Arhan, Ashif Mullah, Muhammad Rai. These few students, keep your camera on. Okay, now the next one, look. Farhan done up to this? Sushnata, Oishi, Devashmita done to? Okay. Now, fourth one, 4B, in descending order. First, write the numbers. 0.46, 0.461, next one, 0.471, next one, 0.409. Now look at this. Which one will be? Let me write this one. 46, 0.461, 0.471, 0.409. Check. Acha, all of them have 4 in the decimal part. At the starting of decimal part, all of have 4. Okay. Now look. These two have 6. Acha, put here nothing means 0. These two have 6. This one is 7. This one 0. So definitely this 0 is the lesser one. But here to descending order, na? So first we will have to take the greater one. Greater one is 7. So start to write in descending order. In descending order. First 4 points. Sorry, it will be 0 point. Huh? 0.471. Understood? Now the next one. Now the next one. Say, this one to done. Cross it. Next, there are two 6. Now which one will be the greatest one? As both of them have 6, so look at the next one. It is 0 and it is 1. Definitely this 1 is greater. So first take 0.461, then 0.460 or 46. Yes, understood? Enakshi? Next one, last one, which one is remaining? 0.409. Done? For C and D, I'll complete tomorrow in the next class. Then I'll start exercise C, okay? After that, I'll start exercise C. Now I'll check your copy. You will have to show me your copy one by one, the name I am